This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make sugar cookies with melted butter. First, melt 1 cup of unsalted butter in a microwave-safe bowl or small saucepan. Heat it until it's just liquid, but avoid browning it. Let the butter cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. This slight cooling prevents it from scrambling the eggs and ensures a smooth dough. This unique approach yields a wonderfully chewy cookie. Next, combine the cooled melted butter with 1½ cups of granulated sugar in a large mixing bowl. Whisk these together until well combined. Then, crack in 2 large eggs, one at a time, mixing thoroughly after each addition. Stir in 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Continue to mix until the entire wet mixture becomes light, fluffy, and creamy, which takes about 2 minutes. Now it's time for the dry ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon of salt. Gradually add this dry mixture to your wet ingredients, mixing on low speed. Stop mixing as soon as the flour is just incorporated. Overmixing can lead to tough cookies, so be gentle and precise with this step. Finally, chill your dough for at least 30 minutes. This helps prevent spreading and makes it easier to roll out. Roll the dough to about 1/4 inch thickness and cut out your desired shapes. Bake them on a parchment-lined baking sheet at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes, or until the edges are lightly golden. Let them cool completely before decorating with your favorite frosting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.